I'm Vicky, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub family, thank you so much. So today is just another Tesco food shop. We got the click and collect service once again. I'm just going to go through what meals we're having this week and then I'll show you what we picked up. So we're going to have a nice quick easy meal of steak, homemade chips, peas, sweet corn, mushrooms, onions again. It's one of our favourites, so we're just going to go with that. I'm going to make us a beef stew. I'm going to get some diced beef from the butcher's and then I'm going to make some homemade steak bakes. I can't wait to try them. It'll be the first time that I've ever made them. Then we've got some salmon with new potatoes and veg, so we'll need to go to the fishmongers to get the salmon. And I'm going to have a chicken salad, which I know is not the most comforting of food at this time of year, but I just really wanted something nice and light. And then again, with something nice and light, I've got some fish cakes with rice and salad, and maybe some sweet chilli sauce if I've got some in the cupboards. So that's the meals planned for this week. So these are currently the 3 recipe books that I'm using at the moment. I just like to use them for inspiration to keep our meals having a lot of variety in them. So to start with, I've got some fish cake. These are just the Young's breaded fish cakes. You get 4 in here for 99p, so I got 2 packs. I got some loose carrots, some more of the golden delicious apples to take to work. I got some more skips because I was only able to get 1 packet. Dan had the other 5. I've got a big bottle of semi-skimmed milk which is leaking a little bit, but that will be getting open and used today, so I'm not going to worry about that too much. Some baby plum tomatoes, some loose bananas for work. In here I've got some parsnips and I've got an onion. That is the veg for the stew. I've got a cucumber. I've got some Tuck cheese sandwich biscuits. The Dairy Lee ones that I got the other week really reminded me of these Tuck biscuits, so I thought, you know what, I'll try these. And this pack was only £1, so I'm happy with that and I hope they taste as good as I remember. I got 2 custard slices. These were at the end of my food shop online and they were like as a suggested, and yeah, so I put them in the basket. A swede for the stew, and I got a broccoli to go with the salmon. I got a whole chicken for the chicken salad because I'm thinking that the rest of it can be used for sandwiches or I can make a Mayflower curry with it. Then I've got a bag of spinach, some ham for sandwiches or just snacking. I got a pack of butter because we had run out, and a Cherry's chocolate orange for me and Dan to share. These Milky Bar little reindeers are £1 each. Dan picked himself up some deodorants. I have literally forgotten that I've cut all my hair off, so I'm still buying conditioner like my hair is super long. So I've got some of the Alberto Balsam shampoo and 2 bottles of conditioner in coconut, and then I haven't tried this one before, so I just really wanted to give it a go. It's a shower and bath gel, and this is also in coconut, so I'm looking forward to seeing what that's like. And then I got the Radox shower gel. This one has got lavender and water lily, so I'm hoping it smells really nice. And then I also picked up an Alberto Balsam in raspberry. So I'm on to the last few bits. I got some more potatoes. These ones are the all-rounder ones at 91p. Another bag of Bunny Bites for work. Another packet of skips, just to be sure that I do manage to get more than 1. Another packet of the Tuck biscuits. These ones are the original ones. They don't have the cheese inside. Again, these are on offer for £1. Got some blanched hazelnuts and some granola slicers. These are a substituted item. I did originally select the shortbread, but we both like this sort of stuff, so they will get eaten. I got 2 packets of the salad mix. I got some Pringles, some sour cream and onion, and some Texas barbecue sauce, so I'm going to put them away for Christmas. A bowl of salad cream because we had run out. A camembert. I did order some tear and share bread to go with this, but the tear and share bread wasn't available, but this date is until the 13th of December, so I've got a bit of time to try and get hold of some nice bread to dip into this. Then I've got some more oranges to take to work, another bottle of Vimto, and the blackcurrant squash. They have changed this to quadruple strength and therefore have put the price up. I've got some of the Meridian almond butter, some stewed steak in gravy in a tin. This is what I'm going to be using to make the homemade steak bakes. To use as my pastry, I'm just going to use these mini wholemeal tortillas, a pack of eggs, 2 more conditioners, some baby potatoes to go with the salmon. And the last thing is this golden shredded marmalade. Dan mentioned the other day that he wanted some marmalade, so I got him this one with the shredded pieces inside. So that has been everything on my Tesco food shop. If you've watched this till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon, but for now, goodbye.